Owning an Airstream is supposed to feel like freedom. A silver ticket to anywhere. It should be the source of your best stories, not your biggest worries. So why does the adventure you dreamed of sometimes feel just out of reach? We felt the same frustration with the limited options for quality service. That shared need is what built Ramble, a shop defined by a team with thousands of trailers worth of experience and a deep respect for the journeys they make possible. Around here, we keep it simple. You'll plan your repair, maintenance, or modification directly with an expert technician. Our Airstream-only specialists then execute the work with master craftsmanship, keeping you updated throughout the entire process. Before you leave, we walk you through everything so you can hit the road with complete confidence and the freedom that comes from knowing every detail is dialed in. This is what it's for. The freedom to be present, the confidence to wander, the joy of an adventure with nothing holding you back. At Ramble Trailer Works, we keep your Airstream adventure ready so you can roam without worry.